The beautiful lady. Meanwhile, guys, mind me, I have Lugambo. Mumanyi ndala no Lugambo. So muna yetu tugenda kujja nga tujjayo gundi kamera nga twetegeka. Nagamba mulinda ko sigo obumwa. Emubulaba. Naga mulinda bu mundinde mu please. I love that. How are you?
Well.
You okay?
Good.
What's your name?
Esther Zarang.
Zarang.
In the making.
Hey ma katika tunyonyole sipi.
Consultant in the making.
Muchitege sente ziri one. Taxation consultant.
Cotuno.
Hey.
Yep.
Will you be manageable?
I don't know.
Chamugenda musobola guys mbagambye. Okay, hi lovelies, welcome to Love Life, and I'm called Doreen Nasasira. So before I start, I want to say thank you to our sponsors, especially Gaucho Grill Restaurant. They are actually along Entebbe, Entebbe Road. The place is called Bwebaja. Just on the road, you'll see them. It's called Gaucho Grill and Restaurant. If you want more information, the number is right there on the screen. Alternatively, in case you're so lazy you don't want to drive, now just imagine like a weekend like this one, you feel like you don't want to drive out of town, you want to stay home, you just have to sit back, relax, get your phone, and then look for Glovo. They have Glovo, and make your order, and they'll be at your doorstep within no minutes. So guys, Sakalaba Risayo, I'm gonna be mixing English and Luganda because Wednesday wabazungu literally. So, so it's going to be a lot of English and Luganda, right? So to get a better Luganda audience, we can do that. But I'm very excited because this is the first time we are having such on our channel, right? That's the first time because, you know, we do a lot of kasavu kanyama. We mix things up, we bring you health. Now this one is different. You who is tired of unemployment, you who is tired of being there and you're wondering, but I finished school, I finished studies, but I don't know how to operate, you know, I don't know how to use a computer, I don't know how to use this and that. We are here, we're going to cater for you. So what attracted me to this place, when I was having a conversation with the CEO, she told me, the place, first of all, the name of the place, I don't know in all names why she chose this name. The name, I have to be careful. It's called Cotuno, as you see the word. I was with Bina yesterday, and Bina said, this word gives me headache. And it's like a very unique word, Cotuno. So it's Cotuno Practical Accounting and Taxation Trainers. You see, Cotuno. And they are on all social media platforms, so you can always check them out. So what really attracted me to this place was the fact that they offer skills, and they said, quote, practically prepare you for employment. That one, I was like, I have to come. So guys, ladies and gentlemen, I'm very happy to be here at Cotuno Practical Accounting and Taxation Trainers, and I'm talking with the CEO. But just when you hear the voice, just imagine. So kakati my dear, welcome to Love Life. You're going to introduce yourself, not that name, or if you're okay with the name, I don't know. Introduce yourself and tell us exactly what Cotuno is and why Cotuno. Like, what does Cotuno mean? Is it an English word? I don't know.
Oh, wow. Cotuno is a very interesting name. How I came up with it was a combination of names. Yes, my family names, including my name, is within there. Yeah, that's how I came up with Cotuno Practical Accounting and Taxation Trainers. Actually, I'm the CEO, Cotuno Practical Accounting and Taxation Trainers. I'm not only a CEO, I'm a SPA, Certified Public Accountant, and I'm an MBA, Master of Business Administration. I have a Bachelor's degree of Science in Accounting. I'm really knowledgeable when it comes to tax. And Cotuno, we have been in practice for over 9 years, since 2017. Cotuno has been in place, and why we came up with Cotuno, because I had a very bad experience when I completed my university. I tried looking for jobs, and it was very, very, very hard
hectic.
for me. I was like, what can I do? So I had really to look for someone who would train me on personal ground. And then when I learned and then got a very, very good experience in taxation and accounting plus audit, I was like, why can't I come up with something? Maybe because other people are coming up with other initiatives, like maybe teaching CPA, then theoretical things. But I realized there was a gap in the industry. Which gap? People are not practically prepared when it comes to employment, especially because our main target group are students who have just graduated from university, especially those who have done accounting, business administration, accounting, BCom. Those people struggle to get jobs. Yes, they have the theory part, but you can hire someone, they even don't know how to do a team.
I know.
They don't know how to do.
I mean, you're right. I've seen it's very rampant. Like someone has a degree in a particular course, but he's not skilled at all. So I think you're right.
Yes.
And when they're hiring you, they always ask you about the skill,
the experience
you've had in the field. Then you have to include it on your CV. I think I'm understanding what you're saying.
Yes, actually, most companies are not ready to train you, to bear with you, like maybe 6 months, 6 months, 1 year that they're training. You remember, the main goal of companies is to maximize profit.
Yep.
So they want someone who already has experience. So you keep wondering, why do I go for interviews? I have masters, I'm a CPA, but you're not getting it. You're not getting the job. But here, when you come at Cotuno Practical Accounting and Taxation Trainers, we shall surely train you. As you can see as you can see, our students are very busy doing some work.
I found some students here, guys, are very busy. So yeah, some beautiful ladies. I don't know if isn't only for ladies. like I want to find out. I just want ladies only. So I don't know. Mixture?
Yes, it's a mixture. Only that this is a weekend class. We have a day class and weekend class.
Okay.
And also you find when others have just left, since it's a weekend, they have other engagements. They have to take their boyfriends, their girlfriends out. So
I know it's a weekend situation. Okay, so basically the students are found here today. Are they focusing on one main? Are you teaching them on, let me say, is it only taxation only? Or they're doing different things?
No, we are teaching them because, before you reach to taxation, you must know accounting.
Oh, so hold on. Okay, first tell us exactly what you train, because now that's where I want to start from. Because I thought if I want taxation, it's going to be about taxation only through and through. If I want to know about business, for example, it's going to be about business run through in my mind. But now it's like you're saying you have steps. So now I want to find out what exactly do you focus on here if I come at Cotuno? And what qualifications for starters, what do I need to come here?
Okay, I'll start with what do we exactly offer here. As you have seen, the school says Cotuno Practical Accounting and Taxation Trainers. Really, if you don't know accounting, there's no way you're going to do taxation. That's why you see many businesses out there are messed up. They get these tax agents and they tell them, I can do your taxes. And then someone is assessed $1 billion. Out of nowhere, because someone knows how to file a return but cannot analyze those returns. When someone is assessed, cannot come and defend the assessment, they just run away. That's what we solve here. When you come here, we shall first take you through accounting. Like for you to prepare income tax returns or to file income tax returns, it's not just a matter of you getting some information and then you fill in the income tax return template. What we do with you is we first take you through. What do you need to do before you file the income tax? You are supposed to have your data ready. We have to take you through the system like Sage, Tally, QuickBooks. Then you know how to post. What is double entry? You practically post that what you're going to file. After you have maybe let me continue explaining. After you have posted that work, you know how to extract that work into Excel. After you have extracted it, you can analyze it. After you have analyzed it, how do you prepare the audited books of accounts? After preparing the audited books of accounts, because it is advised if you're going to file income tax returns, you must have your work ready. You must have prepared your accounts or your books of accounts or financial statements or audited report. Especially these days, to file URA returns for everyone whose sales are 500 million and above, you must have audited books of account. We are training our students for the better, not for small companies. So when we train you after coming up with those reports, you can come up with an audit report. Then we can say, now this is the income tax template. This is how you fill it in. Don't make sure you don't make a mistake. When it comes to wear and tear, in which class do you put? Is it in class 1? Is it in class 2? Is it in class 3? If you claim in class 2, it is only companies that are dealing in agriculture and mining that are supposed to claim wear and tear of their tools and machineries and whatnot under class 2. We shall properly guide you, but before we reach there, we first prepare you like a baby. Okay, that you need to do like this, you need to do like this, we need to do like this.
Baby steps.
They're baby
steps. You learn more and more.
Exactly, and you do this work practically. We have companies that are walking this journey with us.
There's something you mentioned. You talked about Excel, and I remembered something. Many people that are hired, even those that come to do intern, different workstations, and they don't know how to operate using Excel. They don't know how to use Excel. And then you're like, what are you studying at school? But then I get to imagine, I think at school is mostly these days, it's about it's not practical. Mainly it's not practical. So now if they come here and they actually get the practical bit, life becomes very easy for them. I think I understand what you're saying, because there are very many people out there who have accounting, let me say, knowledge, but they don't know how to actually put it in practice.
Exactly.
I've seen that, and that is so true. And that's the reason that's why they get to struggle out there.
Yes, and they don't struggle alone. They make companies struggles out there. Companies are battling with assessments. Actually, you find that a company is assessed, but if you go to analyze and find out, you're like, oh, it is the accountant who made a mistake. They did not do good analysis. They are not well trained. We're like, no, we need to prepare the future for Ugandan business people through offering practical experience. Actually, we don't only stop at students who have done accounting. We also look at the business community out there. People are struggling.
They are.
So we offer that business package, like you inform us of what you want to do, you want us to do for you. We come to your business. You don't need to come here. We train you. We can train your accountant. You can train your accounts department. We can train you as the director. Like at least you have the hint of what is being done in your company. We also train people. There's someone who can say, I didn't do accounting, but I also want to know about taxation.
I need that knowledge. Yeah.
I want to do my consultancy firm. But how do I start? Please come. Cotuno is the solution.
Okay.
Cotuno Practical Accounting and Taxation Trainers. We are here to solve all your accounting and taxation challenges, and you will appreciate us in future.
I know, especially when it comes to the taxation bit, guys. Not people dying out there. Taxes.
Are you sure? I hope you're not also dying.
Not yet, but soon I'll be coming to you. I'm like, when I help me out, just know, people are dying. There are companies out there. Anyways, something I want to know, if I want to join Cotuno, for example, maybe someone out there might be wondering, how do I get to join? Like, what qualifications do I need? Do I need to have, let me say, a certificate, right? Do I need to have, even though I'm an S6 dropout, I can always come through. Like, exactly what do you, like, who is supposed to join Cotuno?
Okay. Well, Cotuno, as it says, Cotuno Practical Accounting and Taxation Trainers, its main focus when it started, it majorly looked at students who have graduated and they don't have the practical experience, especially in accounting, taxation, and auditing.
So only those who have graduated.
Basically, that is where our major focus is, because you find those students, they're on the streets.
They're nothing,
they don't have jobs. I can assure you 100%. All students who have passed through Cotuno Practical Accounting and Taxation Trainers, they are all employed.
I remember there's a video you gave us, a video you posted, because you know sometimes you guys you don't like serious things. So you know, real Lugambo things. But then also this one, man, something to do with employment, Musaga, something to do with your future. You have to pay attention. Like there's a video we posted on our social media platforms, myself and Vina Baby, and I saw that video. People are giving testimonies. Actually, you can always go there and refer to that video to see for yourself. They were giving testimonies, and then I saw Butcherman. I'm like, what is Butcherman doing here?
We educated the wife. The wife was here. Actually, she was very stranded when she landed.
Such a supportive husband.
Yes, so that day actually she had brought me flowers to appreciate because she's able to handle her taxation and spread the gospel in the ghetto. So Butcherman had to accompany the wife also to appreciate and give me my flowers.
So they are men.
That's why Butcherman was in that video. Actually, many people were wondering why he was in the video. We educated the wife. She's now an ambassador in ghetto.
I love that. Also, I'm getting the point. So even those people that are in companies and you don't know, you're there around before, somehow you got that job by default. You're making the people suffer. Even though it's family business, or you're a business owner and you really don't understand your accountant, or you feel like something is lacking. They said they can always offer you the services. You just have to actually get in touch with them, and they can come to you. Then you tell them. They can always tell you what or where to focus on. They can always teach or train your accountant. They can teach you as a director or CEO of the company. You understand? So they're trying to make the future brighter and better. If you want to know more about taxation, they got you. Many people are suffering out there. And you need to have this knowledge, like, on your fingertips. All right, so I don't know anything you want to give us. First of all, the location. Give us the location. I want to remember this. Like, we have...
Maybe before I talk about the location.
Yeah.
Are you there struggling with your businesses because of taxation? Cotuno is the solution. You have pending assessments, you have pending objections, you have issues URA is calling you every now and then. Please come to Cotuno Practical Accounting and Taxation Trainers. We are the solution. Are you a student there? You have been on streets for years. You don't have a job. You have accounting background, or you would like to change your career, because I've had statisticians, I've had people who have done economics, I've had people who have done Bachelor of Development Studies. We have trained them and we are able to change their careers, and they're out there shining. They're doing the accounting job. For us, we shall train you. We are located in Ntinda. In Ntinda Center. The place is called Ntinda Business Village. It is behind Najim Mall, B16. We are always open from Monday to Saturday. Please don't fail to reach out to us. Tuli wano tubalinze bana muje tuba training. Tulina offers ba business people muje tubayambe. We are training you for free. Please, you come around.
Okay, so before I let you go a bit, I want to find, so if I decide to come and be like, okay, how long is the course? How does it go for? How long does it go for?
Yes, I noted. The course takes 4 months.
4 months.
Yes.
So do I get anything like a certificate to show guys and guys? Banang, I have trained, like I did practicals at this place at Cotuno. Do you give me something?
Yes, we give you certificate. We give you a certificate. Actually, our certificate is selling like a hot cake. You know why?
No.
Because you walk the talk. The moment you show out that certificate,
they're like,
and they're like, okay, you did it practically. You can actually do it. Please, we even have Jaribu. If you think we are just trying to market Cotuno, please come for Jaribu. Our students are here. They're going to give us some testimonies.
A demonstration.
Others are already on social media giving us testimonies. They're very, very, very good companies because of the experience that we've obtained from Cotuno. We shall guide you on how to improve your CV. And actually, it is not only 4 months. If you feel within those 4 months, you have not gotten the things, you are missing something, we can even take you throughout the year. And we walk the journey with you. Even when you get a job, you keep getting back to us until you fit into that job. If you're a business person and you have engaged with us, we walk the talk with you until we feel that you are fit to handle it yourself.
Okay, so another thing, guys, you shouldn't be worried. First of all, she's an aggressive lady who loves seeing people progress in life. I think I've seen that about her. So that means if you just trust them and come through, I don't think you can finish the 4 months and not living the same and don't find where to start from. You understand? I'm sure she's connected. Me, I have it in my mind. She's connected, so you can't fail to get a job just in case. when you finish your 4 months here, be like, tukole tutia kati maliriza. She will connect you. So guys, we're going to talk to the students. So,
maybe also days of study. We have days of study.
Oh, days of so
yes, we have a weekday program that is Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. However, there are people who are working class. They are very busy with work. They don't have time, and we decide to take them through on Saturday. We take them through from morning up to evening. As you can see, at 5 we still have them. So they decided to do a weekend program. We have a number of students, but most of them are on day program.
Okay.
And then
so it's Monday to Saturday, 8 a.m.
From 9
a.m. to 5 p.m.
No.
Peak time.
Yes, peak time.
Okay,
then these ones, they come because we have to cover up what we have covered during the week. So they come from in the morning up to late in the evening, like 5.
So so even though you have a busy schedule, you can always work around it. And they say they can even come to you. So Kakati, I'm going to be talking to some students. I found them here. I want to know exactly what they're doing here, how long they've been here, and what have they learned? What are they doing here? Are they learning really? CEO, like, so it's me and them. Okay, so okay, hi lovelies, we're still together. Tuli Cotuno, so I'm still making rounds. Jagala kumanya exactly what is happening here. So another beautiful lady here. Oli bulungi. On a weekend.
Yeah, so
Abalabali ku beach, right? Abalabali mu weekend marriages. For you here.
Yeah, I'm here.
Why? No boyfriend.
I have a boyfriend, of course.
So yeah, you're supposed to be cooking for the guy, washing things, washing clothes.
I have, but I need to learn this. I need to learn a lot from Cotuno.
Okay, so how long have you been here for?
I've been there. I'm going to make 4 months here.
Hey, so you Bangambi, they do 4 months. That means you almost.
Yeah, I'm almost.
What have you learned so far? Like
I've learned a lot in taxation, filing returns, NSSF, payee. I've learned about EFRIS, making EFRIS invoices.
You're going to show me that one. You're going to EFRIS. You're going to show me that one.
Tax audit. I can audit. I think I'm now a consultant. Through Cotuno.
Oh, please. So now you're gonna be like I'll be calling you. What's your name? I didn't forget your name.
My name's Anna. She goes Bridget.
Bridget. So I'll be like, Bridget, where are you? We need you. And then we need your knowledge. Like money. Before I come, money.
Yes.
Go get to call center, Bridget. Your boyfriend, Bananga, is lucky.
He's so lucky. Yes, no.
Right?
Yes,
you should know. Very lucky. So you're gonna be. Anyways. So would you recommend a friend to come here?
Absolutely.
Really?
Yeah.
You know,
I've learned
is it not because the CEO is looking at you like this?
Not really, but I've learned a lot.
Okay. So someone else here at Munanga, I'm going through students. Hey, I need to see like a practical thing.
Okay.
Another beautiful lady. Meanwhile, guys, mind me, I have Lugambo. Mind that I know Lugambo. So when I try to get a kuja, ngatuja gundi kamera ngatutegeka. Nagaba mulinda ko sigo bumwa. Please. I love that. How are you?
Well,
You okay?
okay.
What's your name?
Esther Zarang.
Zarang.
In the making.
Hey, mama.
Taxation consultant in the making.
What you take? Taxation consultant.
Cotuno.
Hey.
Yeah.
Will you be manageable?
I don't know.
I love the fact that she's very proud of what she's doing. I love that. So how long have you been here?
In a period of 3 months.
So you left with 1 month to go. Left with 1 month to go.
Yeah.
Okay, so what exactly have you learned so far? What you can remember practically, blah, blah, blah.
I've learned a lot. Doing CPA and business administration in accounting and management. I had a lot of theory. But with Cotuno, I've learned the practical bit of it. And it's beneficial.
Very true.
It's helping me with what I'm doing. I can now do filings proudly.
Right? I love that one.
For the small business enterprises, please, the presumptive taxes are can be done by me. Look for me through Cotuno.
She's your girl. I love the fact that she's proud. Another beautiful lady. I've talked to her actually. Yeah, Patience. How are you, Patience?
I'm okay.
Kakati, now for you, don't lie. The truth.
Yes.
So how is Cotuno, first of all, and how long have you been here for?
Okay. Cotuno is I can say is a place to be.
Okay.
Out there, it's a place to be, 100%. I'm done with the course personally, and since I was a student already, but we have a very good CEO who says even if you're out there and you're done with the course, but you have business to do, you've got clients, you have you've been able to capture some clients who need you to do for them work.
Okay.
Come around. And we can still guide you, we can help you, we can sharpen your work and make sure that by the time you're presenting your work to your clients, it's actually the best.
So now you're even training.
Yeah.
Wow.
So personally, I've just come. I got some clients who had given me some income tax. We're in that peak moment of the year.
I understand.
Yes. By 30th December.
Oh, the auditing situation.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, we shall be finished. We should have finished to audit and compile all the work. So I'm trying to juggle here and there, doing clients' work. So I've been coming around to, review my work, to make sure that CEO goes through it. My audit's on point. Have I balanced the balance sheet? Yes. Have I made the taxation schedules, the wear and tear, the depreciation, and all those concepts?
Lovely.
Yeah. So that's
so let me ask Patience, if I come through, like not all of us, like we are gifted in different ways.
Yeah.
They are slow learners. So what if I'm that kind of person? Yes, I have the knowledge, but I'm a slow learner. How patient are you with me? Like, what do you do if you notice that I have that particular problem? Because there are those people who grasp quickly, and then there are those that you have to take your time. So what happens? You give me more months, or you like, for you now you need extra time. What exactly happens?
Well, first of all, we give you that provision of giving you extra time, despite the course being done. But when we see you're not yet there, we don't want you to go and feel like we have paid your money, and you've not got the best. We still say you can stay around, and we give you extra time. Secondly, if you feel we have handled the class and still you feel there is still more lacking, we shall say, yes, you're opting for these days of study, but we have this extra time. You can come around on these days. We go through one-on-one and make sure that, trust me, you cannot live the same way.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
But I think I'm going to join. There's employment here. I'm telling you. Kankwitako mukwano webinarye. Onete bajja kusobola ine binaryo. So now tugenda kukola ka practical. Mpozi yagala tugenda kukola ka EFRIS, right? Tugenda kukola ka practical EFRIS. Kati lwaki onkwata nga nimkulowooza ebyoko. Hey lovelies, we are still here at Cotuno. Nabagami, I'm taking a tour a bit. So I love the practical bit. Some people go get so I need to be sure. Now they're going to teach me, they're going to take me through some steps on how I can issue an invoice. Kakati, ladies and gentlemen, Damuchiga, Dorina Sasira. Agera balaga. Alewa nabiga muja kuntegeera. So kakati nina Patience, one of the abagambye yaliko student wano era still achayiga era still ayigiriza. Basically boyiga osigalo sagana bimalayo, but now Patience.
Yes.
I want to issue an invoice.
Yeah.
Let me say I'm somewhere in the office, maybe I have a laptop like this, I have my internet, because I need internet definitely, right? Katu, what's the first step? How do I do it?
We have started with this, which is like the home page. The URA page.
So I go,
yes,
but URA portal, this is where I start from?
We start, you should have a search engine like Google Drive. Google Drive is better. Then when you're starting, you come on your face. Then you start by saying URA portal. It will automatically come on your screen.
So you tap on it.
So you tap on it. It's always the first option you choose. So immediately it brings you to this face, which is like the home page where you find everything concerning URA. So basically we are going to concentrate on issuing the invoice.
The invoice. EFRIS.
So when you go to the login button, it's the second option.
There's a login button there? Yeah. Okay.
It's the second option. It has EFRIS.
All right.
So you click that.
EFRIS.
Yeah. So when you do that, immediately it brings you to search face. So here it asks you for login details, which is the TIN and the password to your TIN. Okay.
So you have to have a TIN.
You should have a TIN when you're going to increase. As a must, you should have a TIN. So
you put in your details.
You're putting the TIN of this specific company.
And then the password as well.
Yeah, then we're putting the password. You should be very, very sure and keen while putting the password.
Okay. So basically you follow the steps in Pola.
Yeah.
Okay, so you say login.
So when you log in, it has this part. It asks for the OTP. OTP is one-time password.
Hey,
yeah,
I didn't know OTP, one-time passwords.
It's sent either to your email or to your SMS. So this email is one that you've used to register for your TIN. The one that you used to register for your TIN is the email that is sent to. Same as the SMS, the contact that you used while registering for this.
So that means if I put an email, the OTP is going to come on my email.
Yeah.
Okay.
Definitely.
I get your
email. So for our case, we already requested for it and we have our OTP ready. So we're going to put it there. That was provided for us. And then we
log in.
We automatically log in. If the OTP is right, it will definitely take you into the system. Now this OTP lasts 2 days.
Yes, if you don't use,
you can generate it today.
So if you don't use it in 2 days, it's going to expire.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that means if everything is right, the password, everything, then that is going to show face.
Yeah, that is done. So you come to the face of the page. So basically, we want to issue an e-invoice for a product called Cotuno West.
Cotuno West.
Yeah, we got a client that purchased Cotuno West from us, and so they need a e-invoice after delivery because we already delivered.
Yes.
So as we're going to issue the e-invoice, you just don't go and issue because you're not sure what do we have stock in our system. And before knowing that you have stock, do you actually have the product among the stock items that you have in the system? Yes. So the first step is us to go and configure. Configure, basically, we are trying to put this item into the system. You're trying to inform URA that we have these products in stock. So you're trying to put it there. And so how do we do that?
You go to, on your left, if you're sitting, this is your left, where there's EFRIS.
Yeah.
Then
you go to stock management. Stock management, you go to goods, stock service, configuration. What you're doing is configuring the item into the system. So when you go to configuration, you go and browse. Now, before I proceed, we have what we call batch import. Then you also have browsing products. So when you're browsing, ideally you're going to put one by one product. But supposing you have a lot of things that you've purchased that ago, and you want to make sure you put all of them at the same time. Yes, into the system. Instead of putting one by at a time, it's better when you do the batch. But if you have one, then you don't need to do the batch. Yes, you have to put in one. Yeah. So you go to browse products. So when you go to browse products, it brings you to such a face. With different items aligned there. There's so many. So these are different categories of items. So you're going to specify the item that you want to put there. Yeah. So for this Cotuno West that we have, simply because it's called Cotuno West, it doesn't mean that you're putting in cotton, as in cotton. But yeah, it's kind of a raw material. Yes.
So basically, you also have to know whatever you're searching for, or what the category it falls under.
Yeah. So we try to search the system, but we don't have raw material. Among that. So we try to find out what other thing can that item be under. Okay. So we want to try and put cotton.
Probably. Yes. See.
So among that, they have given us different categories, and you have to look for something where you think that item might be falling under. So you want to start with the part of textiles, because they are kind of clothing. Yeah. Then I'm seeing something connected to fabrics and leather materials. Then I'm seeing something connected to cotton fabrics. Yes. Then we see among these.
Then you're like,
yes, so they are cotton weave. Yes, and this is a perfect match for what we want.
The client. Okay.
So after us seeing that, we come down, we
save.
Yes. So when we save, automatically it's going to bring what we call the product code here. You see, this code comes here. It wasn't there initially.
Yeah, it wasn't there.
Yeah. So you come here, you have to put in a product code. That can be any other random code. Just come up with any random number as long as you've never used it in the system. Yes. So we want to use 0, 1, 0.
Any random code.
Yeah, any random code. However, this one says the product code already exists.
Okay, so you have to keep checking.
You keep checking and put something that is non-existent in the system. So when it accepts, ideally you don't have it. So it has accepted. Then here they're asking for the currency.
Uganda currency or dollars or pounds or whatever.
Okay. So for us, we're using Uganda shillings. Then they're asking us for the unit price.
Now what is that?
How much did you buy this item? But when you're putting the price, it says you should put the amount inclusive of VAT.
Okay.
Do not put the item price
without including the VAT.
Yes, make sure you include it because this system is automatic. It calculates all the amounts of money. It does it automatically. It charges VAT automatically on the price. So if you put the price without VAT, ideally they're going to charge VAT on that very price that you've put.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
I get the point.
So we bought this Cotuno West 5,300 inclusive of VAT.
VAT.
Yeah, we buy in terms of pieces. Yeah.
Then you say goods and service.
Goods and service name.
So it's cotton, right?
Yeah, Cotuno West. Yeah. So here they're asking us for the package unit. Package unit.
How heavy is it?
We measure it in kilos. When we are selling, we sell in kilos and we also buy in kgs. Yeah.
Okay.
Then the lower stock alert configuration. You can't skip this batch.
Why?
But ideally, because it has a star. All the parts that have stars, it has no alternative.
You have to fill in something. So now what do you do there? Just in case you're not sure.
That idea, they're telling you that which stage do you want your stock to reach at?
Oh.
That the system should alert you that your stock has gone down.
Okay.
For some people, they'll be like at 5 kgs. Some other people who are doing things at large scale,
they'll be like
50 kgs, 100 kgs.
Okay.
Yes. So for us, we want ours to alert us at least 20 kgs.
Okay.
So we put that.
After doing that,
ideally, we have filled in all the stars. So we are going to go.
So all this you just leave.
Yeah. Because
as long as there's this red stars,
yes.
All right, I get it.
So when you're done with that,
you submit.
Are you sure you want to submit? You
say okay, successfully. Oh,
yeah. So our item that we have put is
201
West
kg
price
West Uganda shillings.
Yeah. So after doing that, you realize that yes, you've put it in the system, but you have not stocked in. Stocking in, what's stocking in? You're supposed to put the quantity of the item into your system. That when we purchased, we bought how many kgs?
Okay.
Yes. We bought 300 kgs. So now you have to stock in the 300 kgs. So that they're in your system, and your system shows that
they actually
exists. Yes. So how do we do that? We go to stock management.
We go back to
stock management.
Now here there is fiscal document management. Oh, still under EFRIS.
Yeah.
So this time we go to stock management.
Yes.
Okay.
So under that we go to stock. So under stock they're telling us there is stock in
management.
Yeah.
I get it.
Yeah. So ideally, if you purchased and you received things through an EFRIS invoice, supposing when we purchased our Cotuno West, the person that sold to us gave us an invoice or an EFRIS invoice. That EFRIS invoice always has what we call the FDN or physical document number. So we just come and put that physical document number here in the search, and the invoice comes here. But now for us, we bought from the local person. The local person who doesn't know EFRIS, who doesn't even know how it exists.
I know.
So they just sold to us using a normal small receipt.
Okay.
So ideally, we have no e-invoice for that. So we're going to stock in without FDN. And that option is here.
Stocking without. Oh.
Yes.
Because I was going to ask you that. Okay.
Yeah.
Stocking without FDN. I understand.
So we click there. So ideally, we made the local purchase from the local person.
Yeah.
So it's already there. We don't need to choose. Then we come down here. We have this other star that says headquarter or branch. It automatically has, the name of the company that you are logged in. So you just choose it.
Put the TIN number,
After
blah, blah,
choosing, you just come here, add. So when you come and add, you come to select. So when you come and select, we said our item was Cotuno West, which is here.
West, yeah.
Right. We say confirm. So when you say confirm, ideally all this wasn't there. But now when we put the other side, it auto generated everything.
Everything here.
This side. So now you're putting in the quantity. We said we bought 300 kgs. Yes. So you put in 300. You come here to the purchase price, which was 5,300.
300, yeah.
Then you say okay. When you say okay, supplier name. The supplier name, the gentleman that sold to us was called Chigundu.
And
So we just put there Chigundu. You put there the supplier name. We said wherever you see a star,
that means
you can't proceed.
Skip.
Yes,
yes.
So we had to put his name.
The name.
Yes. So you find that what you have stocked in is here already.
Yeah.
It has already come down.
It there.
Yes. So you have to submit.
Are you sure?
You
say yes.
Yes. Successfully submitted. So it's here. So now when you check among our items, just a moment. The item, the name is here, and all those details. So we come back to stock management. Now I want to check that what we have actually stocked in, has it gone into the system? So we come and do what we stock inquire.
Management. Because the first time we did goods and services, we clicked on that. Now, second time stock, now we're going to stock inquire.
You want to inquire from the system that which do we have Cotuno West in the system? And if we have Cotuno West, which quantity do we actually have? Yes.
Is it the 300?
Yes. So it brings us here. Here you just come, put the goods name, which is
Cotuno.
Even if you don't put the whole name, it searches. So we have different cottons, but it's this one that we use.
201, yeah.
And indeed, when you look at the stock, it is
300.
Yes, so that means it has gone into the system.
Interesting.
So
Okay.
when you're done stocking in, now you are ready to issue the invoice. Because
invoice.
you've done whatever it takes. You put it into the system, you're stocked in, now you're going to sell. When you're making the invoice,
you're selling, definitely. Oh, EFRIS. Okay, interesting.
Yeah. So when you're going to issue the invoice, you come to fiscal document management. There is this option that says receipts,
stock invoices.
Then they tell you issue. Yes.
So we are issuing.
We're issuing the invoice. Yeah. So now here they're asking for the operator who's actually operating the system. Who's going to issue the invoice?
Cotuno?
Me, the person.
You the person. That's Chigundu?
No, me.
You.
Me, the operator.
Okay.
Yeah.
Patience.
Yes. So I put my name.
Oh, the operator. Okay, I'm getting the point now.
So now we come to the buyer's details. Buyer's details, they're asking us, is it a business buying from you? Is it a final consumer, normal person who has come to buy and take the item at home to use? Is it a government, maybe parastatal or something? Is it a foreigner? Yes. So for this case, the person that bought from us is called Movit.
Okay.
Movit Products Limited. So we are going to come. First of all, if you're going to issue it, and Movit is a business.
Yeah, true.
So you're going to start by putting in their TIN. If you don't have their TIN, ideally you can't issue the invoice because it's a business. Yeah. So I already got their
taxation situation.
Yeah. So I already have their TIN. I'm going to put it there.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. So when you put in the TIN, you just click search, or you just click any part.
Then it comes.
So you look at the details that have come. If the details that have come match the organization.
That means you're good to go.
Then you're good to go. Then you click on
Next. Okay.
So it comes to this part. Here, you click add. So when you click add, you find that everywhere here is empty. But you want all this information, will just auto-generate itself.
I was going to be like, so we're going to, okay.
No.
Perfect.
Yeah, so you come to select. So when you come to select, they're asking for the goods name. Which good do you want to sell? Yes. We put it there. Then we click on search. So we should be careful of which one exactly. You see how our thing has different
cotton wines, cotton robes, cotton shirts, yeah.
So what we want is this one because our product code, if you remember,
201, yes.
Then you're going to confirm. So when you click confirm, automatically everything comes. You don't have to again keep putting everything afresh. Yes,
I'm getting your point.
Yeah. So these specific people, they bought 150 kgs from us. You're going to put 150. And then this price that you bought at still comes there. It's now you to adjust to fit the price that you're selling at. Okay. Yes. So for us, we said we're going to sell each kg at 8,000 only. Yes. So when you sold each kg at 8,000, this is how much you expect.
Tax inclusive. So whatever you put there, make sure that it's tax inclusive.
Yes.
I get the point. Okay.
So when you put that, you save. Then you come down. So before you generate the invoice, you should be able to do what we call a preview. Look through what you have done. Is it right? Have you issued the right buyer? Have you issued the right quantity, the right price?
To avoid mistakes, right?
Yes,
because once you issue it, that is it.
And yeah, that's it. And it takes you a longer process. You have to issue a credit note, make follow-ups, make sure it's approved.
Actually, I saw somewhere when you said issue, there was also credit note.
Yes.
Ooh.
Yes.
Okay.
So imagine when you got a credit note, where it becomes a process. Yes. So that's why they encourage us that be way careful while issuing the invoice. Yes. Give it time. Feel overwhelmed first. Give yourself time. Yes.
Process the brain. Yeah.
Then you can sit and do this work.
I get it.
That's why they go an extra mile and put for even more stops. Go and preview. See what you've done.
Confirm. Okay, I get the point. Oh, thank you.
So you're going to preview and see what we have done. Ideally, whether it's right.
I've sent that invoice. Yeah.
Yeah.
I've sent that.
This is how it has to appear. It has the company that is selling. It has the person who served you. So if in case you have more than one person in the organization does this work, if in case anything happens with a certain invoice,
just know.
Yes, you check and say who did this.
Which is
invoice. Yes. So you proceed.
Everything is there. The quantity.
Look at the buyer's details. Is here, and it's the right buyer we have. The quantity is right. The price, and so the totals are here. So we say this price here should be already VAT inclusive. Why? The system will come here and break down for you automatically, and so that gross amount we expected you to get. It's like 1.1
is that.
And now this is the VAT part.
VAT part.
Yes.
This is gross.
When you add it there. Yes. So everything comes down, and now here you're ready to
and the invoice.
Yeah. So when you're done, you cancel that preview. Then you click on generate.
Yes. So when you click generate, you have to have a printer ready, definitely.
Yeah, right. Printer to print out a hard copy. At times, if you don't have the printer, you can just
use Flash. Is it? Put it on the. Can that happen?
No, you can just save the PDF.
Save the PDF.
Then maybe
send email. Yes. You can use an email or even a WhatsApp. On WhatsApp.
And by the way, the bit about it is that person who you've issued to, this invoice automatically goes to their email. As long as you have issued, as long as you have issued, just tell them I've issued. They will check on their email and they will receive because it's under their TIN and details and everything. Okay. Yeah, then you're good to go.
Thank you.
Thank you too.
Lovely, 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 lovely. Of course, I'll need a second thing in Sibiago, but at least I've tried to grasp it. Chendavia, you take your time. Every step, Bakubuza, are you sure? You know, there are stops. Nakugamba, where you see red. Please don't skip. Try to just be careful. So not rushing just because you want to issue an invoice. So at least I've known cut EFRIS guys, just a little bit. You keep planning. We be gonna jump Cotuno.